On May 10 through 11, 2016, Child Protection Hub for Southeast Europe organized a policy forum on the impact of decentralization on social services in Vienna, Austria. The event hosted more than 60 policymakers, local authorities, representatives of academia and NGOs from 14 countries to analyze decentralization processes and their impact on social services. There they discussed how to challenge inequalities, build effective partnerships, and how to make sure we're putting children first.
I really believe that for this region there is a lot of knowledge that needs to be shared and a lot of experiences that has to be shared, because otherwise we would not be able to use all the capacities that exist in the region, and every country has its specificities, of course, but when you go through the reforms and you are aiming at better protection of children, then more or less you have similar steps or similar policies. So it is really important to see also what are the bad experiences, not only what are the positive experiences of different countries.
Been very pleased to see the building of the CP Hub and to be allowed to participate to this meeting, these days where I could see how professionals from the region were very pleased to have opportunities to exchange about their experience. One of the points which was very clearly mentioned during these days is a whole constraints regarding human resources to work on the development of a community-based response. And it was interesting to see how what we are doing in the region, supporting the development of municipal plans to involve more people than social workers in social work development. These last days, countries being there were sharing ideas, moving into the same direction. How can we optimize existing resources on the ground and come up with better concerted plans at local level?